Alright, here we are, room tour. First things first, put that card in there, or you can put any other card in there for the lights to come on. That is power for the entire cabin. This right here is the bathroom, we'll come back to that. And the closet, storage, we'll come back to that as well. But this is your view as soon as you walk in. King size bed. Pretty nice size television right in front of the bed. A little bit of walking room through here. It's a little tight than what I'm used to, but I feel like on other ships, the staterooms are bigger. So I don't know if it's just this class of ship. I mean, this class of stateroom could be. This is a Cove Balcony, by the way. If you didn't see it on the title of the video. Vanity here with the mirror. Phone over here, glasses, water, whole shebang. Balcony, we'll get to that in a second. Couch here, which also fold out into a bed. Back to the bed for a second. Do have some night lights here for the readers or whatever you want to do while you are in bed. Good little view. Somewhere to charge your phone as well with a USB port. Put that back. Same thing on the other side. Then you got lights behind your bed, switches to cut everything on and off. And let's go outside. Wifey outside, still in port. Want to give you all a fresh room tour as we are still in the port of Miami. This is our view from deck 5. People are literally still boarding right above us. So, FYI, if you do get this room, 5339. Alright, now let's go check that bathroom and his closets out. Didn't forget about those. Start with the bathroom first. Switch right here for the bathroom. Got your snoozing, privacy only placard if you want to put it out there. Hooks on the door, locking everything for the door. Standard Carnival toilet. So clean. And this is something new. Well, newer on the XL class ships, I believe. Look at that. There's so much more room opening and closing this door. Like, yeah, I love it. Foot stand down there, you want to scrub your feet. Standard shower, nothing too much different from the other Carnival ships. Handheld there. And you can take that off, by the way. Got your soaps, shampoos in there. And that's pretty much it, man. You got a lot of storage space in here. Use some storage space down there. Towels and everything right there. Alright, let's open these closet doors. So you got your safe down here, some drawers. Normally I see people put their shoes in here. I don't know if my shoes will even fit in here, so I don't know what I would use those for. And the drawer down here as well, pulls out. Also have this little spot right here. Looks like you need it. There we go. Drop that down. Got more storage space. Or keep that up. If you want to hang some more stuff, you got room. Just in case you don't have enough room over here. And I think these are self-closing. Yep, they are. This side, you got a full, ooh, this mirror needs to be cleaned again. Full mirror. Same thing here, lay this down or let it up. Pretty much a carbon copy of the other one, except just don't have those drawers, and you can make this a tall, long closet space. So pretty much up to you, whatever you want to do with it. All right, that is our room tour for Carnival Celebration, Cove Balcony. It's time to eat. Make sure y'all like and subscribe if y'all want to see more of me and my wifey over there traveling right here on YouTube. It's hot and we about to enjoy our cruise. Thanks for watching.